Hi, good evening. Welcome to Tej Academy. Today I brought you very latest update regarding RIE CE 2025. We know you all are eagerly waiting for application date. When are they going to release the application? So finally, the NCERT has released a latest update regarding RIE CE. You can clearly see on my screen. Application is going to be released on 29th May and last date will be up to 17th June. Online applications will be available from 29th May to 17th June in the website of NCRT and also all RIE websites. RIE Mysore, Ajmer, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal, Shillong websites also provides the application link along with NCERT. And the second most important point which we all should observe, you can see here, the exam is going to conduct on 29th June as already released by NCERT through CBT mode, computer based test. First time in RIE history, the RIE CEE has been converted to computer based test. This is the first time NCERT is conducting RIE CEE in the CBT mode. And for further details, they have also given links NCERT as well as Bhubaneswar RIE, RIE BPS, Ajmer, Bhopal, Mysore, and Shillong, NERIE. Starting date of online registration, you can clearly see 29th May. Ending date is 17th June. 17th June and exam will be on 29th June. So as you all know, since this time exam is going to happen in computer based test mode. So you need exact preparation strategy. You need an exact platform where you can appear exams as a CBT mode. So we are already conducting a crash course for RIE CE exam in the name of Arjuna batch under Tej Academy. Many of the students already know and they are already joined and they are having the classes from last 15 days. And once again, if you want to enroll for crash course and you want to experience the best in the industry for RIE CE, I would like to invite you all to download our Tej Academy app. Go through the app Arjuna batch. We have provided all PYQs with free of cost. Any student can access in online mode in the form of CBT in our app. If you like our service, if you like the test pattern and the test way, then you can think of joining with the crash course. And we also have a separate test series, exclusive test series for RIE CE exam. So please go through the app, download the app, and see the other informations required. And soon related to the syllabus and the domicile, etc., will be given in complete notification that will be released on 29th May. So let us wait up to 29th May for further details. So as of now, we have only two important updates. One is the application is going to start from 29th May and going to end by 17th June. The second important information is the exam is going to happen in the CBT mode for the first time. Hopefully, we always try to give the exact information point to point without wasting your time because we value your time. Thank you all.